Hey, I just wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about all natural remedies like grapeseed extract, curcumin, et cetera, et cetera. Alma, which is known as Indian gooseberry. All of these, things, and vitamin C too, all of these things are very highly anti-inflammatory. Okay, so anytime you've got something wrong with you that has to do with inflammation, okay, like pancreatitis or shingles or, you know, uh, um, hepatitis, you know, any issue that has to do with inflammation, even cancer, okay, these things, these products kill that stuff, okay, and nobody's going to really come out and do clinical trials on humans, okay? I mean, some scientists have done stuff, regarding, mouse models, rat models, and stuff like that. And one of the biggest things that I found out was that grapefruit juice, okay, stopped my acute pancreatitis attacks. Okay, what's pancreatitis? Inflammation of the pancreas. Okay, and grapeseed extract and grapefruit seed extract, curcumin, vitamin C, okay, they're all highly anti-inflammatory. They're also antimicrobial, okay, and antiviral, okay, which means, they kill viruses. They kill everything that's bad, okay, depending on what dose you use and how long you use it and so forth. What I'm saying is that the longer you use this stuff, okay, the better off you're going to be. Like if you've got a chronic illness that is due to inflammation, pancreatitis, rheumatoid arthritis, anything that has to do with inflammation, if you use these products and you continually use them, 2, 3, 4 times a day, okay, eventually you're going to see a lessening of whatever it is that's bothering you. Will you be cured? Probably not, okay? But as long as you use the stuff, the anti-inflammatory capabilities of the products are going to make you feel better, okay? I'm just guessing. I just know what it's done in me, okay? And that's all I can tell you. I can't guarantee you anything. Nothing's guaranteed in this life except death and taxes. So, hey, I just thought I'd tell you that because you're never going to see clinical trials on this stuff. And the reason for that is the big drug companies, big pharma, they can't make money off the products. They can't patent natural products, okay? So they're stuck with what the stuff is, okay? And they ain't going to make money. They're not going to get rich off of $20 products. It's just not going to happen. So you're not going to see anything good from clinical trials because who pays for the trials? The drug companies, okay? And they're not going to do it, okay? So you're going to see a handful of clinical stuff, like I actually came across the reason why I found out that grapefruit seed extract or grapefruit juice, because I didn't take the seed extract. I drank grapefruit juice because I like it. The reason I found out that it took care of my acute pancreatitis is because there's a PubMed article that it's still there. You can still find it. I've got it in some of my blog articles, the link right to it, that actually states they used, grapefruit seed extract, gave it to mice or rats, or I can't remember what it was, and then they injected them with something that causes acute pancreatitis. And as long as they gave the rats or mice or whatever they were the grapefruit seed extract before they injected them with the stuff that caused acute pancreatitis, the rats were fine. Okay, so what does that tell you? Okay, I know we're not rats, but hey, if it works in one animal, chances are it's going to work in another. Okay? They only tell you that it won't work in you because they're not going to get paid. You follow me? And that's what you've got to start realizing. Okay? These guys are in it for the money. They don't give a crap whether you get helped or not, as long as they make money. And that's why, some of the stuff they put out actually kills people, but they don't care because they do their research. They use their logarithms and they say, well, okay, this many people is going to die. We're going to get sued this many times. Can we still make a profit? If we're still making a profit, then let's do it. That's all they care about is money. And if you don't understand that, hey, I'm sorry, but that's the world now. It's all run on money. Okay, if you want to know something, follow the money. Okay, simple as that. You guys have a great day.